My people, welcome to IPOB Media, the place where we bring you the gospel of Biafra, the only channel where we give you legit news, updates, information, trends happening, and everything you need to know about Biafra and her struggle for freedom. Alright, if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe so you don't get to miss out on news we bring to you as it ought. Also, click on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss out on any video at all. And then don't forget to share so that many of our brothers and sisters will get to know what's up as regards Biafra and the struggle for freedom. Alright, going right into what we have for you in this video. Yes, I want you to watch out this video. Ohaneze Ndigbo has come out to plead Buhari to release Nnamdi Kanu before he leaves office because there is no guarantee. He doesn't have any guarantee that Muslim ticket will release our Onyendu. So I want you to watch this, video. The video is quite it's quite emotional because if you listen to it, you will hear him, as leaking Buhari so that he can release Awonion. But you need to watch it out and see for yourself.
All right. Okay. Your Excellency, the Vice President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, a very good friend of Igbo people, we welcome you. Our beloved son, our Governor, Hope Uzodimma, a great achiever, we are very grateful to you. We have the Oni of Ife. Oni of Ife, let me take liberty to say thank you. Thank you. As I stand here and speaking for about 60 million Igbo people, I'm speaking for them. Oni of Ife, Igbos never forget those who actually support them and help them. I've listened to your comments at various times. At all times, you have stood up for us. Oni of Ife, we are very grateful. And I'm hearing for the first time that you played a role in getting this historic project to the point of being actualized. We have here, of course, your brother, one of the biggest monarchs in Igbo land, the Ooni of Onitsha, but also the Chief of Defense Staff, Irabo, who is one of our beloved sons. He is lucky, he's a son of Igbo land. And we are very happy you are here. Please, I will beg to rest on existing protocol. This is a very historic event. Many years ago, I was young, and I played a lot of part in developments. This project had been conceived by many past governments without any success. But today, we are gathered together on this soil to see the takeoff of this project. All speakers say it is historic. Indeed, all of us here are making history. Vice President, we thank you. Your name is going to appear in gold, and Igbo people, both born and unborn, will know that you are a friend. Last week, I was excited, and many of you too were excited, when a federal teaching hospital was established to be attached to a federal university. This is a dream we have nurtured for many years. But who made it to be realized? Hope Uzodimma. For many years, we have pleaded to make Alvan Ikoku a federal university, because it's one of the pioneer schools of education, higher education in Nigeria. All the other ones are now universities. A past government even approved it, but hadn't the courage to produce it, to get it actualized. But now, it has been actualized. And who made it possible? Uzodimma. Now, you see, if you go around Imo State, you will see a lot of projects. And then coming to our president, I would like the vice president to please, when you go, tell Buhari we are very grateful. When he took office, we were not happy. We complained. But today, at the point of departure, things have changed. I can see that Onitsha Bridge, the Niger Bridge, is completed. I can see that in most states, a lot has been done. For instance, in Ebonyi State, federal government has taken over the teaching hospital, taken over even an airport. Here in Imo State, a lot has been done for us. Even in Enugu, the Enugu airport. So I would like you to tell our son, Buhari, that we are very grateful. And I want Buhari to realize that he is an Igbo son, honorary Igbo man. He has been honored by some Igbo states. I think Imo State have honored him. I think Ebonyi have honored him. Others have honored him. Chieftaincy title in Igbo land is taken very serious. You have to help us tell Buhari that he is an Igbo son. He's a member of Ohaneze Ndigbo by this honor given to him. And when I'm speaking here today, I'm also speaking on his behalf. We are very grateful for what he has done. But before he goes, whatever he can do to bring this thing, to make sure this project succeeds, will be highly appreciated. This project is very important, not just to Imo, but to the whole Igbo people. I want to tell you that last week I had a call, a Zoom meeting with Igbos in Europe. They talked about this project. On Saturday, I had a Zoom meeting with Igbos in America. They talked about this and they promised to raise money to fund it, if need be. I've got calls from Igbos in South Africa, from Igbos in China. So Igbo people everywhere are interested in this. Your Excellency, Hope Uzodimma, you are in the heart of all Igbos. I'm telling all, I was a politician. I have resigned. I'm not in any political party. It doesn't pay anybody to continue criticizing for no just cause. When we praise Hope Uzodimma, we are mentioning specifically what he has done. I think APC, you are lucky to have him. Your campaign is easy. The most difficult thing is for campaign for a governor who has achieved nothing. Hope have achieved a lot. So it is easy for you to campaign for him. Please, finally, our Vice President, tell our brother, our son Buhari, that Ohaneze Ndigbo, the over 60 million Igbos request that he should release Nnamdi Kanu. He should release Nnamdi Kanu. Igbos are not seceding. I don't see why anybody should say Igbos are seceding. Igbos are everywhere. We have investments. Are we going to leave our investments? So please, I am passing this message to him because he is my president in Nigeria. But in the Ohaneze, he has been honored by us and he's a member. So he's my subject there. I am now telling him that Nnamdi Kanu should be released before he departs. We are going to be very grateful. Meanwhile, I want to thank all of you and I wish you all safe journey home. Thank you.
Yes, we come to the end of this video. You see, there is this part where he was talking about Buhari, how he's our son, that we gave him title, honorary title, and all those ass leaking so that Buhari. I don't know what is wrong with this country. Have we come to this level where we must have to beg and beg and beg? It's well. I just know that Chukwu Okike Abiama will do something. He will do something. Our Onyendu will be free by God's grace. All right, we'd like to see your comments, right? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section. We'd like to know what you think. We'd like to see your own perspective. Also, if you're doing your criticism, do so in a respectful manner, right? Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe. And also, click on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss out on any of our posts. Share so that many of our brothers and sisters will get to know what is going on, right? Thank you. God bless.